If your Bluetooth device isn't showing up or connecting, here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix it. Let's get it working together. First of all, make sure your Bluetooth device is powered on and in pairing mode. Check its manual if you're unsure how to enable pairing mode. Now, go to your device's settings and then open Bluetooth settings. Next, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on. Sometimes that simple step works wonders. After that, look for your device under the available devices list. If it doesn't appear, try bringing the device closer to your phone or computer and make sure no other device is currently connected to it. Now, if it still doesn't show up, go to your device and restart both the Bluetooth device and your phone or computer. Then, return to Bluetooth settings and check again. Sometimes, clearing old Bluetooth connections help too. Tap on the eye icon next to the device that you're trying to connect to. Then, tap on Forget this device and then try pairing it again. Finally, check for any software update on your phone or computer. Updates can fix bugs that prevent Bluetooth from connecting. And there you go. By following these steps, your Bluetooth device should now appear and connect properly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.